There were live bullets that were being used, and probably that's the reason some have been injured, and they have been rushed to first aid area as we speak right now. We all actually saw one of the police officers injured. It is not clear where the person who was shooting was from, because you could tell he did not recognize that there were police officers around there, and so one of the police officers was injured, and also one plainclothes officer also was injured by the protesters who are hurling stones towards them, and is also receiving treatment. The pictures there, you can see more people being arrested, taken to the police vehicle. Right now, from where I stand, I can see there are like 3 of them who have been brought to the vehicle here, who have been arrested, and as I said, they are going to be arraigned, and the charges, of course, we're going to know the charges that have been arraigned. Ashley.
All right, thank you so much, Daniel Kariuki, for that. That is the situation here in Nairobi. Some demonstrators being arrested. You've seen others injured, being rushed towards the medical camp where they will get aid from the medics. And of course, not just here in Nairobi, where we've seen police and protesters engage in running battles. We've actually seen the same in Nakuru as well as Kakamega, those shots that we were seeing on our screen a few minutes ago. We're trying to get Alan Ochanda to give us an update on what exactly is happening in Kakamega. Actually, we have him. Alan, earlier on, we just saw some tear gas being lobbed towards protesters just to disperse them. Talk to us about what is happening.
Since morning, it was quite calm since morning to until midday, but some hours ago we've seen running battles between the demonstrators